Hi guys, it's me, and I'm here to take a look at the StarCraft book. This is actually the book that won the vote, so we are going to be cooking from that book. It's pretty nice looking book. It's pretty heavy, and it have quite a few pages. And here is Backup, my helper, who is going to be helping me through the entire of the series, right, puppy? Okay, so let's just take a quick look. The book by itself at the beginning, he really likes it. Looks pretty nice. The pictures are wow. I'm an engineer and I really can appreciate this. It looks amazing. On our first page, we have one really awesome looking meal, and that's our puppy being weird, showing his butt. Okay, so the first page we have the meal. The second page we have a lovely picture with pretty warm colors, to be honest, and it's nice. The third, can I say third? We have the things we are going to be cooking here because we have them. That's a recipe, that's the what's the code? The content. And here starts something that, well, if I'm Star Wars fan, I would appreciate much more because it's introduction. There is the chef. I was saying yesterday, if you saw my stream, I was saying that here hordes are not the best looking guys, but I haven't seen such an ugly horde yet. And this one is not even, that's not better looking one. Here is some introductions. I guess that's the main chef. Black Spire Outpost. I guess that's how you deliver your groceries. And here is, I guess, the shop. Don't. He wants to touch the camera. He feels weird. Hey, that one looks like Imp. Okay, here is one really nice picture as well. And here we have Docking Bay 7, food and cargo. And that's one really ugly one as well, and this one. So no, I haven't seen such ugly people in WoW. Here's some more stuff, and I guess some more info, and that's ugly one as well. And this one is ugly. Sorry, that's because of the stream yesterday. And this one. So here is more information. And here start the condiments. Don't like it. I know it looks tasty, but it's not. Sauce and garnishes. This is basically some mixes of spices that... Good morning. Aww. Some mixes of spices that we are going to do along the way. Well, if I manage to find all those ingredients, I'm actually making the spices. If not, I'll be making them as we go. About the gravies and the sauces, I'll be making them when I need them, not every time. I mean, I don't know how long they can stay, and I definitely don't have enough space in my refrigerator, so I'm doing them as we go. Here's some more stuff. Sorry, I haven't painted my nails. I managed to break them all today at work. And here's some more stuff that I've seen in some of the recipes that are about to come, but we are going to make them as we do the recipes because I don't think those can stay very long. Here's some stuff, recipes, or I don't know what it is. I'm not quite sure. And hello. And what we have here, our first recipe. Sorry. Our first recipes. Those are snacks. The first one is popcorn. So yeah, that's going to be easy, I guess. I don't know. We'll see when I start doing it. I'll try to start the videos as quickly as I can. Just need to gather some ingredients. With this coronavirus, it's pretty hard to... Well, many of the shops are not working, so some spices I hardly find, and I need to order them, and it's kind of strange. Here is another recipe, and another, and another, and basically there are a lot of recipes in here that look pretty... No. That look pretty interesting. And I would like to try. Don't. Just don't. And I can't wait to try. Oh my god, this one looks delicious. I love mushrooms. And here's some bread. This one I'm definitely making, if not on camera, I'm going to be making it pretty soon, and you can see backups here and here. And those one looks delicious as well. And oh my god, look at this one, it's lovely. Ding. And this one, oh, this one looks pretty cool, it's blue. And this one also looks delicious. Lovely. Oh my god, I'm getting hungrier and hungrier. Oh my god, look at that. It looks amazing. I don't like pink normally, but this one looks so tasty. Ooh, they definitely made some really nice visuals. I'm trying this one. I'm definitely trying it. I'm normally cooking stuff when I like the picture, and in the wow book there are not many pictures that I like. The recipes are nice, so if you have the book, just try them out. Oh, did you hurt yourself, puppy? Oh, just try them out because they are all good. Don't lick it. But the pictures are not the best. Okay, I take back this and this one. A bit strange. And we have some drinks in here, which is always nice. I'm still trying to... Oh my god, this one looks really nice. Coffee liqueur, Irish cream liqueur, and bourbon or whiskey. Okay, I can make that. And oh, they look nice. And this is vegetarians, vegan, gluten-free, and which recipe what it is, I guess. And this one looks really tasty. I don't know why they put picture of food when there is no recipe of it, but hey. And here are more lovely pictures that I appreciate as an engineer. And here is something that I really like. US system and metric one, which one equals what. That's something that always I always struggled with this, and I ask Google every time because I don't remember stuff. When I see half 3 tablespoons of butter or half cup of butter, and I'm like, what? Would you mind using a grams, maybe? Okay, so this is the book. One amazing picture here as well. And the end. The book is by Titan Books. It's really nice, it's solid, it's really nicely made. I love the way they made it. The puppy loves it as well. Ew. So guys, basically that's it. That's the book. I hope you liked the video. If you did, make sure you let me know by liking, comment and subscribe. If you liked this little cute face, let him know by liking, comment and subscribe as well. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.